People them for commission wey if they so they get for follow up for thing wey they be talking for national man-to-man talk inside Yawende wey they almost make 1 year for seeker problem for northwest and southwest. They don't start from it up this morning time for that side, so for inside Yawende. Now under the lookout for the big man SSF, Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute, wey ide so he be the oga patapata for on top that commission. We go take una this afternoon to country people them. We go for place where they call them say Gadwa. For Gadwa side, now some thief people them where they the thief gonna call them. Then after they ask them say may they pay money before they left them. Where gendarme people them under operation where big man for gendarme where they call them Oga Lubazal and even Aga Robinson. They don't make them. They don't put down for the thief people them where they show them for population. We go enter SSF from Do 3 village now for that side, so from Banga subdivision for inside Mongo. Now some die body for some 31-year-old man where they meet up and for inside bush when a gun they use and shoot it, then they abandon the gun level for day. Tori SSF for this afternoon we go talk waka for vex CDC, some CDC work people them. Then the vex say they cut palm tree them where they so now for they where they work and get their small money. Now so too for that side from Buddha, now people them they don't come out for roads for talk say they no like them. As we they transfer commandant we in the lookout gendarme people them for inside Buddha. They call it senior warrant officer Lashlele Sebastian. We go talk as we corona SSF in the past inside we country newspaper them if time left. We go enter to for the big part talk for this afternoon. They talk for we say person where he get plenty sense. If he wash with water where they for inside spoon, person where he get plenty sense. If you wash with water where he dey for inside a spoon. Big part talk he come out now for Papa Sime Dido. It is done now for Angela Merkel country Germany. We return back small time. Plenty for outside the country people them. Number 2 tower the meet up for today and the number 3 day inside the new moon we will start all we on Tuesday. We go start tomorrow with this palaver for our head people them where they get for the follow up or the thing the way they be talking for national man-to-man talk will be happen for Yawende. They don't already start for meet up since this morning time for place where they call them say Yawende. And Sabi say all the thing it happen. Now for Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute when I be the oga patapata for inside this commission con the people them. As we wanna Sabi after the national man-to-man talk, plenty thing the day where they be talk say they get for do so now they think them that way these people them the commission people them they don't already start for shidon for look inside that palava for try for see waiting where they never do or how they fit start for put all these things the way they be discuss them for inside national man-to-man talk for inside the trouble. So as well now the CM he been at the report as well talk the commission member them where they meet up. I will get right reverend Funky Samuel where he says be one of them. Peter Mafane Musonge and other people there they consign, even Reverend Father them, all them they did for Yawende just now, as well they don't start for look inside all the thing them where they be she don't talk for national man-to-man talk, where be pass inside we country. We go surely turn back in the proper on top this story where we meet up on Friday. We go take una enter for Commercial Avenue. When Sabi say Wednesday will be talk say they so they drive people they made them no sell today. Now the photo this image we see for Commercial Avenue as so the enter for inside here. As we Tori enter for we here and wait on the CM place over there busy as we the ever used to be for inside Commercial Avenue. Now for inside Bamenda after we they so one policeman the boy there with a gun they shoot one policeman on Tuesday, Wednesday, Bamenda, the same Bamenda. Commercial Avenue today, it be quiet. You be even fit for play and damba on top the field for Sika say moto them. All man it turn up and even Bine place and say if you look plenty Bine place them. They no open for Sika or Commandia where we here. A commander for soldier them. We'll be trying for look to for side for market where that market people then say they open. Now the big market that way they for corner Commercial Avenue. You go fit for see say plenty Bine people them. With the years, some of them, they even so turn come the morning time. They be so drive them. Say, may they no go, may they no continue for do their binet. As soon as Siam, binet place, no overturn up. The market says, will be dead. As soon as the Siam, no nothing, no day. Even as we some side them, it dry. As soon as the Siam for day. For some other end, will work reach for the same end. Some mammy, they setting them where they feel spoil, like pawpaw, pear, plum, all of them. They be even open their small place, them, but sabi say town. You know, so they the way we begin for B. And Tori, we enter for inside with EM. It talks a gun. It be hala again. Popcorn be hala for Bamenda. This afternoon, morning time, so around that kind of past 11 as we Tori enter for we hear. So live, he never turn back as we begin for B. Sabi say we hear Congo side talk say soldier them, they be talk say make the binet people them. They no can do the binet as well they use for do after when they shoot someone policeman. We go take una enter for inside Garua just now country people them. For Garua side, operation for find people there, they worry people them. It don't also continue for happen. These 40 people them, now one way they show we for company office for gendarme people them for inside Garua today. And Sabi say the operation, we get big man, Oga Lubazal, and even people them, where they call them say General Aga Robinson. With the year say the boy them, they make their operation for Bebel and even for Bibimi, when up town them in between Cameroon and Nigeria. So all them, we hear saying Nigerian people them, where they don't the thief go hide, Nganako them, after the thief go hide them, then they go ask them, they pay them money. So they be put hand on top them and they don't show them for population. This afternoon, for inside place where they call them say Garua, and for the number 3 office for Garua gendarme people them where they show we Sabi say the operation it dey under eye for big man Lubazal and even Oga Aga Robinson. We go enter just now for this other story for inside Mbanga. Ndo 3 na the village be that na the name for village inside Mbanga subdivision where na wonderment where the population says for that side they take their eye they chop siam. Oh man, sabi people then say they don't confuse. On top way happen for Ndo 3 this morning time as we Tori enter for inside we here. Waiting the pass now some die body for some man where they meet up for corner bush. Now for Sika wide away one time. They call big man for gendarme office, Oga Coupe, Bebe Coupe, where he says he go there with the lamboy them for try for go see wait way happen. Now die body for some man where they can meet up and they meet up the die body where they shooting and shoot with the gun the way they use them for go bush for go catch beef. So now with that gun where they use them for shoot this man, but just now the thing where Bebe Coupe when a commandant for that side from Banga, he never fit for understand. Now waiting this man he do and now who he shoot this man with the gun. Now the thing that way they never fit for understand. So just now Bebe Coupe when a commandant for inside Banga gendarme office, he'd already start to make investigate after we population he come for come a collie on top this die body where they meet up we hear say the man name na Andek Daddy and Andek Daddy 31-year-old man where he dey so they meet up where they don't shoot out with a gun then they throw him for that side so for bush country people them for Ndo village. So people them for Bebe Coupe as so they talk just now they don't start for make investigate for try for sabi true who side this thing he come out and now who he shoot this Andek Daddy when a 31-year-old with the ESF Congo side for corner side he try for tell you say that man he be then a better thief man say he be don't be native man as we to re-enter we here. So if they meet up and we don't die they know the surprise die body now for courthouse they don't go put them but just now make we see where we meet up for corner this man Andek Daddy. Now they gone that as soon as they see him. Now gone that way they so they meet up for corner as so they finish shoot him. Person where use the gun he shoots, he left the gun, then he go here. So they can meet up that gun only for corner. This 31-year-old man where they call him Andek Daddy for inside Ndo village. As so we talk, investigate. It is also continue. Some mommy will meet up he try for throw away some small story. He be the talk for Gasson so in microphone.
I want to come back for farm. I go so all I go there for inter for day. Dancer. Down I grab for big Russo. I want inter for inside Kakao. I hear some man one time from my back say, they call you. Here I turn my skin. I see the man there for root. Italian for root. With the big contract for his hand. They sang the. We don't cut the grass. They mash and suited there for this leg hand. He call him. I won't go again. He say, je vois que tu veux être agressive. I turn my skin again and say, hey, aggressive dans quoi? Are they aggressive for waiting? Are they so aggressive for waiting? He don't talk. I say, now who call me? He don't talk. Now who call me? No, he don't talk. I say, I beg if you call me, tell me, say, now you call me. He don't talk. He see me that so I begin my head, my cassava for my head. My half cassava, I turn up. How I mean for inside cacao, it looks so commode. So I can't turn up for root. So if you want to make me something, some motor come out for root. I say, I beg if you don't call me, tell me, say, now you call me. He don't talk. He became see me that so me to at the sea, see me at the sea. So tell one time he say go. I turn up that so he say go. So tell my two times I say you go. I only told my cigar.
Yes, Mami says for that side, so from Dot 3 village, from Banga, also talk, Commandant Bebe Coupe, he don't continue for make investigate for Sabi who killed that man, and he left that hunting gun for back. Now, we go take una enter from Buda, now for West Region, also talk for na population from Buda, he don't block roads, say me moto they no pass, and make even Okada people themselves they know the work. Now for Sika waiting, Tori be enter for inside their ears, say their commandant where they like and plenty, senior warrant officer Lashlele Sebastian, where he don't look at the population for that side. So from Buda, they don't send him from Gumu gendarmerie office, say na for the way go be like a commandant. As what it happened just now where the population said vex, they talk say they no one time make this commandant, he go for Sika say commandant, he don't do better work for inside town. Waiting push it Okada people them, according to 222 we hear them, Congo Sawe be the pass inside the Okada people them, he try for talk say normal say the commandant don't do better work, and just for Sika say he come up gendarme people them for road say me they know they take money where another big man inside West Region he get now where that big man says he take pen he write for Yawinde for say me they transfer the gendarme man the commandant from Ambuda. So just now for Sika why that way he see this population he come out for outside he block roads, police people then say they come back for say me then come out. We hear say this worker for vex for the population from Buda for Sika that gendarme commander where they transfer him. Now he says he don't make him. They say they go so continue for the block road for say me moto no come out. So that big man he says he come out can talk, and they no want time to say waiting make their commander Lashlele Sebastian he go for Sika say the man he don't do better work. As so talk Congo side for inside Okada people them they try for blame some big man for West Region say naive for Sika say commandant he stop gendarme people them say me they know they come out take money where he says he ever get his own share. Now for Sika why that way he did so he talk say me they transfer the gendarme man from Gumu. So senior warrant officer Lashlele Sebastian they don't send him now for gendarme office for the same position from Gumu. Make we turn back for inside Buda. We go take una enter back for that side. So for inside Buda, just for Sabi, as with this Okada people them, they don't deny, say that man, he no go. If no be so, this order for town, they go so continue for maker. Raphael Cheko, he be now we eye for that side, so for inside Buda. He be putting microphone for mob for some one of the people then.
Papa, commandant no go no place. The remount for here. If commandant go, even we by people them, we there for here. We on no day. We the wait. Commandant no go no place. Now why they we outside today? Commandant no go no place.
People then that way they turn up Tron for back senior warrant officer Lashlele Sebastian where they so they don't transfer it from Gumu, and with the population he say he don't do better work so he no get for go. Just now we go take una enter to for another worker for Vex now for that side. So for Fako division where some work people them for CDC one day they work for side where they make Banga themselves they don't come out for outside this afternoon for talk say no Sabi say the Banga them for CDC tree where it dey so they don't cut and throw am for ground. This work people them they talk say na this banga wey they make them, where them set up they get chop, where they even get money for say make they look out their picking them for house. So just now when they can see as well they cut the banga them they throw am, it dey make am to say where them set up they no go surely get tomorrow, they no go surely get something for chop. So now for sika why that where this work people them for inside CDC they come out according to way they talk, they try for talk say it dey so Ngomna or the big people them from Ngomna they sabi where they happen for inside Limbe and even the chief them for that side. So for Fako division say for sika say they want open new places them they want make them set they no get place where they feed the chop, so they don't talk make this cutting from banga is stop. And sabi say after they finish do their work for vex for their place they enter their motor, they say they go see DO make DO to understand say this one now what in with the people them with the check say that the one instead suffer them they do them. Make we hear way some of the man them inside this group they talk for we.
VTLV, they want to say they not be aware of what they go on. Please make government try to do something. It is very bad. May they forget about that their intention. They render we unemployed. We are sick at that. Mrs. Look, when I see this Bangladesh, for how long will continue to suffer? They want to create more unemployment in society. Tomorrow, if we go join for Bush or Toxicity, we beg, make government do something for stop the nonsense. We don't like or continue. From here, we go for top management for head office. We'll go inform them. So in a situation, this we no like them. If then they be that call, we no like them because now we go be unemployed. Maybe some of them they get other jobs where the government go give them. For say they render we unemployed. I promise you in the nearest future, we'll surely reach there. Okay. Soonest we'll get to that stage.
They continue fail and so they'll take our farm. Okay. Yes, because when you go for different estates, different sections, they don't fail. Even for okay. Bimbia. Okay. Now right now as I'm talking, Bimbia here they don't fail. Yes. Yes. Now they fail for Bimbia. Okay. So now as all the years they go fail now fail the whole side. Okay. And where they are fake we. Okay. Yes. And we will not come so because we will do this in the same the government see into a situation. That one at the top management that they know that they get there. But the one now we know how we feel for this side. Yeah, so I'm the feel so I don't know how they do. So now we don't decide to know we come for a section, we fight for a section.
And just so sabi even as so they be they make that work for vex, they be get way the worry them inside their minds. Make we enter also read message by message where they say they talk say me CDC land them make it no be na one way people that they come on top. They say men kunkuma say be come for can help them for sika say another palm tree them or even them banga them where they cut them say that one it help more than 1,500 family them where it they so just now say na for place where they chop now for the same place where they the one for can destroy them chakadam for sika say they want open newly out them so they the beg say may even governor say it come banga and even red oil it don't finish inside market only for sika this kind of way where they cut banga them throw am and they make people themselves they go she done we walk it no go day for their hand. So mommy then says they talk for we.
Inside CDC, now they want more work. You know, we pass to pick one banga so for every for market banga not day. They don't do it. Picking them for household. We not go. Oh yeah, don't say because banga not day. Yes, now why banga not put in our house? People all learn book. Right inside CDC, now they want more work for whose side? We can't go school. They're now widows, as you don't see my face. Yeah. Some are widows, matter will go for pension. Some of who picking them there for house, we go care for them how. Now we receive our chief the way they do this thing the whole this and so they want people for whose side. So when the tribal talk say now where they make an answer, they frustrate we and they frustrate our children. Because now it makes some of our children now they go thief. Because if me they don't retire me. Then now my picking will go do now waiting. He go do waiting for helping me. Now we will go the berry picking the on picking they go the berry we. So me I don't care for cry for behalf of my children. Because my children now smart and go leave them. And then let mommy foul. Now I don't come for them, for cover them, so that men will see what the chief David do for we. Now we don't come. Now we don't come work. Now we don't come work. We say we don't come. We'll see how we work with them. Because we come now, we can't work. Yes, we come for can work. Then we don't see so. I will get for shout. We show that as when I don't come for, now we see our cry. We know we don't come for our own section now. We don't come. We see them. Those other people too, they get their own sections too. And the thing that we don't come, we vex for our own section. We don't come. Now they don't cut and now we don't come now for see where the government will go do for we, because our don't come here, we don't come for can work, we not feel work. Now our time wasted. Oh wait, we didn't work on one time for 6 o'clock for can work. Now we can see the damage.
And just for Sabi say them and meet them and the men the way they come out for outside for make work for vessel they go for go work. They no be fit for hold their collars them. For Sika say they the fear, say if they hold collars, they go hold them too. So they go now with the empty hand as we to re-enter for we hear that one just corner side for that people them where they be the make worker for vex. For inside at Fako division. Just now we go left that chapter. We enter for this fireway cash for some part for inside market for Ndokoti. It be dinner for overnight. Army rescue people them and Commander Afuhan Sewe been a big man for intervention. They be day for lost the fire before he enter for other Bine people them place for Ndokoti. Just now we go continue for enter for inside we quarter them. We take una go for Tradex Emana na for Yawende we don't enter already. For talk say population for inside the quarter for Tradex Emana side they decry say for 2 moon lights in no day 2 moon they don't cry. This power one they see I'm so high tension rope it don't fall for down but they don't report for company where the local light one can't fix one a rope the company says it don't turn up in the only look place the rope it just sleepy for ground people them they the only pass the CM current in the pass for day see highway this rope it don't come through way with all kind of connection the way they the rope it just sleep for ground and that place danger for picking them more than 2 moon they don't report for company where the local light say one can't do something before something do picking the way they she done for day they don't also lock their ear like say they know the hear them and na too small picking them this innocent if they go enter for day then this rope is suck them they die they go talk that time say they no be sabi say it dey so na so the thing dey if no be na some good Samaritan say we see as well the rope picking the day for corner then he can't turn up to the drive the picking them say make they come out small they say play it go for corner I picking don't turn up see as well turn up they can't drive them say make they come out for day current in the pass for day they quarter people them they don't go for company for light plenty time 2 moon now company where the local light it don't lock the eye on top the thing like say no be na no nothing small time when something go happen when I go talk say when I no be sabi but even as well the thing they so people them the day where they also continue for talk and they also continue for work make we enter back for them for sure now point the way they sabi say na the thing that way they give them chop for that side for Trades Emana for Yawende them say they don't she done for day they also continue for do their work and they do their work so with this kind of current way day for down una see am no the thing don't come up for up e fall for ground current the pass for day no man he never show head no man he no even get eye for even can look at am but that one he no stop with brother them na meta that way fall for that way the show so na for sika that pole and meta way fall for down where the thing it happen we get with brother them where they do their own small handwork see how rope in the pass una see am see how my brother dey work by mistake if he hand touch that play wetin go happen with he una dey see am no the man dey paint him bed na for corner day wey all thing dey happen he no care if mistake he touch that rope na trouble see how he dey do work for how pole don fall and rope the pass so we dey talk no be na thing for talk say una no be sabi company wey the local light na the thing that we don show am for now if una like una no go dey when something go happen that time una go talk say una no be sabi anyhow we don't do our own work na for the talk for now say na thing that way dey happen if una like for go do am fine make we enter for inside Douala for subdivision container them dey plenty and people them for Douala for they be don mark plenty container them for day say make population dey comot am this container dey make people them do accident this container them dey block road even as we council people they take their time waka enter for inside Mabanda side Douala for they put red cross on top container they say make they comot am for sika say they disturb roads plenty of the container people they don't decide for left them container for day, and as well they left container na so they put am for corner roads e dey can cause accident. So we dey talk now for the Douala for people them as well e dey so accident dem they don dey pass for sick as say container dem they never comot am for roads. So now for them for turn back for day for try for look inside the palava all that container the way they don put X. All that container there they don't put X, where they don't put am for corner roads, where motor they say they don't even go jam am, then they come carry people them take and go for police, say they don't broke am, make they look inside the chapter for sick as wetin they think them population dey cry say e dey block roads, and someone the way they dey open till people them they dey hide for day where e be make am too insecurity for these people them inside Mabanda, Douala for subdivision, and just so sabi. Today, as well, we talk for ya for Cameroon time na Thursday, and as Sabi say for different side, it go be na different day. But just now for inside Cameroon, every day na day way Thursday, na day way people they clean their quarter them. Yes, Thursday people they clean their quarter them. But as well, we talk for inside we for here, Mabanda side will be enter for day. We see some people them they clean Guataho, they do their work. We be na keep Douala clean. Sabi say na the day that way governor set a sign book say they must to do am so te mandamba e can pass for Cameroon e go. So people they respect am. Mama ti make we enter for chapter 2 for this chapter. As well people they clean, people they clean. Some side the day where they dirty. Yes, make we enter for the other enter where they dirty. Una see am. Just as well people they clean for some side, other people they una see Guataho, see people they say, and na day where they say where they clean place so. When I see am, na day where they say make they clean place, some other side they dirty so te time no day. So the other side them, as well some council people they cleaner, who they leave and say they get for can't clean the place. No ask ambassador, no ask am. Then the thing where e funny me plenty na say wetin. These council people they clean place, they don't left burial ground. Yes, they left burial ground. That burial ground where they left, and when I see side they start for clean now, they cut for wall for burial ground side for up. They no even touch and touch am. So una one na that devil them. Una one devil them. People there they don't bury and say make they come out. They can't clean the one. Or na who them una want and say make they can't clean this other one. Then so for here, country people. When una they do work, see burial ground for that side. So for Mabanda, they call them say cimetière Kotobas. Na place where they be bury Kotobas. So the place is dirty. They where they say keep Douala clean. If una the clean, una no make segregation. Na him mean so na no talk say oh this one na no go do and this one. The burial ground Guataho na don't level. Na for who for can cleaner? Na for who for can cleaner? Anyhow, now we I see am even inside burial ground dirty dey. You understand? Even inside the burial ground dirty dey. Grass it don't grow. See the other side where they go inside Mabanda, Guataho is clean. Then the other side where they come down for burial ground, Guataho is dirty. Now which kind of thing that do not see? Na fence for burial ground. See how they do am. Halfway that one they leave am. So now for who them? Now for the devil them. See burial ground say una the talk say una the clean place. Burial ground grass it dey plenty. Now they get for can chapiera. Now they get for do am. Now the devil them. Now people there they don't bury them. Anyhow. Now my own eye that to make one no vex say I don't talk. Well, we go enter for newspaper. They will get them this afternoon. So come out for inside Tori for this side. Make we take una see some of the newspaper the way they day outside. Horizon the talk for we. As we come now, he don't talk back for wait Ma Kalwala. He talk concerning a waka for vex where he the column. You go read Tori 2 for inside Horizon where he concern bilingualism commission for Pa Peter Mafane Musonge where they talk for Cameroon people. Them say me they take the two country talk them. Queen Elisa own and Emmanuel Macron own equal. Make no man, he no talk say the one ish. As so the Horizon, he talk for we. Other Tori the day where fit for it inside Horizon. Make we enter for inside Guardian Post too, where they outside today, corner people them. For Guardian Post, where they for outside this afternoon. He get his own chapter for Tori where he talk for we. And for the Guardian Post, one of their strong Tori for this afternoon for Guardian Post newspaper, where he day outside, he try for look inside everything the way they pass for Northwest and Southwest. One of the strong number for the Guardian Post newspaper where the waiter they try for talk for we this afternoon. Say waiting, say soldier them they don't lock Bamenda after one policeman he die. You go read that story for them. You go read story to where he consign people them for Bamenda Kwe where they don't get their new Igwe, their new chief for that side. You go read to story as a woman they say they be come up for outside for talk. Say may they stop all the two way people that didn't die for inside Northwest and Southwest. Story the day for inside the Guardian Post. Another newspaper will enter for inside today. Country people them now waiting. They call them say the Post Weekender. Inside the Post Weekender, they say mayor for a mayor. He don't talk from governor. Say may they try for back people them boys out to chang shoes for say make peace. He turn back for inside the country. You go read story to a concern as well Bamenda, he don't lock down after we waiting. They killed one policeman. Story today where concern Minister Gratango where Iwaka for Douala, Edea, Sancho, but he no be rich from Guti and Fontem where they suffer the same water where he enter for people them house and Poto where he chakara people them cargo them. Inside the Post Weekender, other story the day. We go finish with Cameroon Insider where they outside too. Today, inside Cameroon Insider, they talk for we as we all man inside country, woman themselves all for inside country, they don't decry and they kini. Same way they pass for Southwest, Northwest, he finish. Now so too they try for tell we as we soldier them enter for inside boy they will chang shoes their own place where they should on for that side. So for Boyo, plenty in them it be pass. You go read plenty to read them where it is so Cameroon Insider to read people them. They come out this afternoon. Story don't finish for inside Equinox Story House, country people them, Matilda, Malice, and even the Panda Plus, Zephyrin Gonji. They be there for backside for see as we Tori, Idiwaka. For me, I go surely turn back for morning time if Papa God he left. Una hold am tight.